I-incident OE traffic. Stop underage driver location. Wisconsin, United States. Date. Friday night exact date undisclosed. Subject. Female age 18. Multiple witnessed collisions. Both side mirrors removed from vehicle. Back assessed at significantly above 16, twice the legal limit.
There we go.
Call him, Maya.
You talk to him.
Hey, hon, what's your address?
Hello?
What's your address? I was gonna say, I'm really close.
Are you stopped by a bunch of cops right now?
Yep.
Why?
Couldn't tell you.
Do you want me to come over there?
I'm good.
Are you sure? I'll be right there.
Okay.
Why are there like 17 cops?
We'll explain it to you when you get here.
Okay, I'll be over there in a sec.
Thanks. How much have you had to drink tonight?
I
No drink? Any drugs?
No.
Do you have any medical conditions?
do not.
You don't? See a doctor for anything?
I take antidepressants, but...
When's the last time you took those?
Today.
What? Yeah, when?
Noon.
Noon? Is that normal time that you take them?
Yeah.
Okay. And you have zero alcohol on board?
What's going on?
She's on her way to pick me up.
Okay.
She's good.
Yeah. Were you in the car?
No,
No,
I live
she's
right in this blue house. Are you okay, honey? Okay, because I'm like...
Let's go over there. Yeah.
You've been to the dentist today? No? Okay. Can you step out for me?
Yeah.
Do you know where you're at?
Yeah.
What day of the week is it?
It is...
Without looking at your phone.
Friday.
Friday? Okay. How much have you had to drink? You don't have to.
Oh.
I can smell it coming off of your breath. Okay? When did you start drinking today?
I haven't had anything to
Okay. What's stuck to your foot? When you were in the crash, were you
Receipt?
When you were in the crash, were you injured at all?
No.
You have your foot's bleeding.
My foot's bleeding?
Yeah, you see your toe there is bleeding. You stand with her a second. I want to grab my light.
Hi there. I'm Officer AJ. What's your name? Kayla? Okay. So, can you take your hand off that? I just want to see if you can stand on your own. Okay. How old are you?
18.
You're 18? Did you just graduate high school? Okay, where'd you graduate? Parker or Craig?
Craig.
Craig? Okay. Have you ever had been drinking and driving ever before? Okay.
How old are you?
18.
18? Seriously, how much have you had to drink? Let's just
I haven't had anything to drink.
we can smell alcohol on you. Your driving was poor. You were involved in at least 2 crashes, witnessed by people that were following you.
You don't see your side mirror there?
Both side mirrors are broke off. You hit a parked car.
You smell like vodka.
Do you remember any of that?
I do.
Do you remember hitting the cars?
I do. I'm going to first.
Okay. Let's come up here. I'm going to do some tests on you, okay? So you're going to face me this way.
Never mind.
So
We're good.
just stand with your feet together, arms at your sides. Do you wear contacts? You do? Are they in right now? Have any issues with your head? No? Okay. What I'm going to have you do is follow the tip of my pen with your eyes and your eyes only. I don't want you to move your head, okay? Do you understand that? You see my pen here? Can you reach out and touch it with your right hand? Your other right hand? There you go. All right, just follow that with your eyes. Don't move your head. Tuck your chin down just a touch. There you go. Let's follow my pen, okay?
You make me nervous.
No reason to be nervous, okay? I'm just going to make sure you're okay to drive, all right?
Yep.
All right. See the tip of my pen here? Just follow that, okay? Keep looking at my pen.
Sorry if I'm shaking. Nervous.
What's that?
Sorry if I'm shaking.
You're okay. Almost done with this test. This one's going to go up. Just keep your head right there. If you've never seen vertical nystagmus, that's what it looks like. Same thing. Nope, tuck your chin down for me just a touch. I just want you to move your head up, okay? Just keep your eyes on this, all right? Go ahead, follow my pen. All the way up. Nope, keep your head still. That's okay. Okay. From that position, do you need a coat or anything? It is getting chilly out.
I'm good.
You're good? Okay.
I have shelter in my car.
I want you to imagine a straight line here on the concrete, okay? I want you to take your left foot, put on the line, put your right foot in front, touching heel to toe with your arms down on your
I can
sides.
sit on this.
No, I don't want you to stand on that line because it's a little off. So just imagine a straight line. Right foot in front of left, and you can take your, nope, don't start walking yet. Just back like this. Switch your feet around. There you go. Keep your arms down your sides. Down at your sides. Remain in that position until I tell you to start. Don't start walking yet. You don't know what to do yet, okay? Right foot in front of your left. There you go. When I tell you to, you're going to take 9 heel-toe steps on a line, take a series of small steps, turn around, take 9 heel-toe steps back. Hold on. Just wait. I'll tell you what to do, and then I'll tell you when to start, okay? So it's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3, and so on up to 9. When you get to that 9th step, keep your front foot on the line, take a series of small steps, turn around, take 9 steps back. 1, 2, 3, and so on up to 9. Questions about that so far?
No, I'm
No?
fine. I'm just having like anxiety.
Okay, just try and relax. When you're doing this test, keep your arms down to your sides. Look down to your... You got to pay attention here, okay? Arms down to your sides, look down to your feet, count each step out loud. Don't stop the test until you've finished. Questions about that? Right foot in front of your left. Okay, you can begin. How many steps were you supposed to take?
9.
9? How many have you taken so far?
11.
Okay.
12.
And then what did I have you do? Turn around? Nine steps back. Not backwards, forwards, just like I showed you. Okay, let's go back up in front of the car here. You grab me a PBT, Clay.
Yep.
Go ahead and face me. Feet together. Arms down to your sides again. Do you have any problems with your legs or ankles, knees, anything like that? No? Okay, when I tell you to, I'm going to have you lift a foot of your choice. Approximately 6 inches off the ground. You're going to hold your toe flat, keep your legs straight, count 1,001, 1,002. When I tell you to, hold on. 1,003 and so on until I tell you to stop, okay? When you're doing this test, if you put your foot down, pick it up, continue counting where you left off. Any questions about that? No? You can begin. Just 6 inches. Okay, we'll stop there. 16. Next test. Maybe look at my pen again here. I'm going to do some circles. I'm going to come into the bridge of your nose. I'm not going to touch you. If your eyes can cross, let them cross, okay?
I have a lazy eye.
That's okay. Go ahead, follow my pen. Perfect. Last test. When I tell you to, I'm going to have you tip your head back, close your eyes. I want you to imagine the passing of 30 seconds. When you believe 30 seconds has passed, I want you to bring your head forward, open your eyes, and say stop. Questions about that?
I'm ready to start.
Tip your head back, close your eyes, you can begin. Done? How long was that?
I believe about 25 seconds, 38.
25, 38, or
Or 25 to 30.
25 to 30? How'd you count?
I was counting 1, 2.
Okay,
I have ADHD, so.
okay. I'm gonna have you blow into the PVP. Because if it's not alcohol, I think you may have some sort of medical problem. You have another PVT?
Oh, I can grab one. You should just be able to hold it.
I know how to use it. I think it's dead. Let's take a walk back to the car over here. This way. Nope, this way. I don't want you to get in your car. Towards my car. Just have you lean up against the car right here. There you go. Is Mom home? No?
I live with my guardians, my grandparents.
Oh, okay. Where were you drinking at today?
What?
Where were you drinking at today? You don't know?
Like 1 or 2 shots.
1 or 2 drinks? Okay, well, you don't have to lie to me. Just tell me you don't want to tell me the truth, because I don't like being lied to. I've been doing this job as long as you've been alive, okay?
Yep.
So I've arrested a couple drunk drivers before, and honesty is what it is at this point, right? We know you got in some crashes, probably because you're intoxicated and you can't see and or operate a vehicle safely right now. So is there alcohol in the car that you were drinking too? No? Where were you drinking at?
My home.
Your home? Who provided the alcohol to you?
I took alcohol from my grandpa's.
Okay. So nobody went to a liquor store and bought it for you?
No.
Okay. Fair enough. You were drinking Captain Morgan?
No.
What were you drinking?
Vodka.
Vodka? Okay. Deep breath and blow until I tell you to stop. Blow, blow, harder, 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 harder. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. There you go. I'd imagine you're probably in the 1.5, 1.6 range. Well, way above that. How long have you been drinking for?
Like an hour.
No, I mean like in your lifetime.
In my lifetime?
Mhm.
I have no idea.
Like, do you drink daily?
No.
No? Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to take you into custody for operating while intoxicated, okay? So I'm just going to put you in handcuffs. So just face away from me. There you go. The car? Yeah. Okay. Nope. No. Do you have any priors for drunk driving? No. No? Okay. How long have you honestly been drinking?
Like,
No, not today, but like in your lifetime. Like, do you have
my
a problem?
lifetime. No.
No? You don't drink daily?
No.
Okay. Alright. Well, we're going to get you out of the police department. We'll get you processed. See if your friend here can come get you, okay? Is that okay? Okay. How old is she?
18. Oh, her.
Can you just search her quick, make sure she don't have anything? What's friend's name over here? Maya?
Maya. Can I have you actually have you face the car? Thank you. You don't have any weapons or anything on you, right? No. Okay. That was a good one for Maya.
Thought so.
No, I meant the search just now. Can you just stand like a couple inches away? Perfect, thank you. Is this our car that's just going in?
Sure.
Is this one yours?
Huh?
Is this one
Yep.
yours? Oh, okay. I'm so confused how it's going to work out.
Yeah, I don't know.
I don't know either. I'm rolling, but I don't
Yeah,
understand
no.
how this is going to work out. That's not mine.
No, I know it's not. It's Mouse. I'm probably going to have to do all that unless he's doing all the paperwork.
Doesn't he have to because he did fields?
Right.
And if he has to write a warrant? If that's what he chooses to do, I'm assuming it's his
Right.
first offense. I got a good statement from her, though.
Yeah, I mean,
Knew where to be drinking,
she was
yes.
like 0.3. Alright. Just face this bench here. Okay. Spread your feet for me. Okay. When I take this handcuff off, what I want you to do is put your left hand on the wall. You understand that? Okay. Do the same thing with this hand, okay? Alright, you can turn around and have a seat.
What's wrong?
I don't live with my parents, I live with my grandparents.
Yeah.
I'm held to really strict standards.
Okay.
And I fucked up.
That's okay. We all make mistakes. It's not the end of the world, okay?
Yeah, it is.
No. So how this works is this is OWI first for you, okay? Just came from there.
We just went over that.
So it's first offense OWI, okay? So just a ticket, okay? It's nothing criminal, no jail time, nothing like that. Friend's gonna come get you. We're gonna take you upstairs when we're done, okay? I'm gonna ask you some questions, read you a form, and from there we will proceed, okay? Okay, so this is called the informing the accused. Under Wisconsin's implied consent law, I'm required to read this notice to you. You have either been arrested for an offense that involves driving or operating a motor vehicle under the influence of alcohol or drugs or both. This law enforcement agency now wants to test one or more samples of your breath, blood, or urine to determine the concentration of alcohol or drugs in your system. If any test shows more alcohol in your system than the law permits while driving, your operating privilege will be suspended. If you refuse to take any test that this agency requests, your operating privilege will be revoked and you will be subject to other penalties. The test results or the fact that you refused testing can be used against you in court. Will you submit to an evidentiary chemical test of your breath, yes or no?
Okay.
I need a yes or no from you.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
I'm already dead, so it doesn't matter.
Why are you dead? You're not dead, you're fine. That happens to everybody, okay? Well, not everybody, but it happens. People make mistakes. It's okay. Alright? I promise you, you will be fine after this. Okay? You want to call your grandpa? Okay. Do you know the number? Okay, come on up here.
This just fucking sucks.
What's the phone number?
Sister, wait.
Do you want me to start the conversation?
Yeah. Alright. Actually, no.
Wiz, Stat, Section 343.303 Probable Cause Threshold, Odor of Alcohol plus Witness Crashes equals PC to arrest. No further investigation required. Wiz. Stat. Section 346. 631. A OWI first offense civil forfeiture. Not a criminal charge. No jail, no criminal record, no jury trial. Wiz. Stat. Section 125. 074. A. Underage alcohol possession separate civil citation, independent of OWI. First offense, $250 forfeiture. Admissions made at Roadside during a traffic stop are fully admissible in a subsequent civil forfeiture proceeding. NHTSA Standardized Field Sobriety Tests, SFST. 3 validated instruments: horizontal gaze, nystagmus, HGN, walk and turn Watt, one-leg stand OLS. HGN 6 validated clues: lack of smooth pursuit ×2, nystagmus at maximum deviation ×2, onset before 45 degrees ×2 is greater than or equal to 4 clues equals probable impairment. Lesson: HGN pretest protocol. Pre-existing ocular conditions, for example amblyopia, must be documented before administering HGN. Failure to do so is a valid defense basis to challenge evidentiary admissibility. Vertical nystagmus, not among the 6 HGN clues. NHTSA identifies this as an indicator of BAC is greater than or equal to 20 or influence of CNS depressants beyond alcohol alone. Watt 8, validated clues, is greater than or equal to 2 equals probable impairment. Lesson: an uneven or unlevel test surface is a recognized defense challenge to the evidentiary reliability of walk-and-turn results. OLS, 4 validated clues: swaying, arms raised, hopping, foot placed down before test ends, foot contact at 1/6 seconds of 30 equals 1 validated clue. Convergence test, not NHTSA standardized, carries no standalone evidentiary admissibility, supplemental investigative tool only. Modified Romberg, not NHTSA standardized. Time deviation is greater than 40% 30 sec, estimated as 38 sec is consistent with CNS depression from alcohol intoxication.
Hi. I'm at the police station and I got pulled over. Can you just come pick me up? Okay, I'll call Mom. Yeah, can you give me her number?
Your friend is coming to get you with her parents,
Okay.
so they can take you home.
Yeah, they took me here, so okay. Alright, I love you.
Your friend is coming to get you.
Okay.
The one she's bringing in your car. They're gonna come get you, and if you need to get taken home, they can
I
take
should
you
my
home.
car, because,
Well, you won't be able to drive anymore tonight, but
well, obviously not.
yeah.
But, I live like a person of my guardians.
Yeah,
So
I know.
my grandpa said that they've had a couple drinks, so he can't come get me. So
Okay.
I can ask
Did you
him.
tell them why you were here? I know you just told them that we pulled you over and brought you here.
I'll deal with that when I get home.
Okay. Well, I don't want to think we took you hostage or something.
Oh no.
Okay.
I'll let them screw at me later.
Scream at you later. You're 18 now.
Oh.
So, you have to wait 20 minutes to make sure that there's no alcohol. It's called mouth alcohol. This may just blow over you, but I'll explain it anyway. So it's called mouth alcohol. So if you were to take a drink and we didn't wait 20 minutes, your result on that machine would be higher. So we have to wait 20 minutes to make sure that anything, and clearly I've seen you haven't ingested or used anything since you've been stopped.
No.
However, I have to make sure, so sitting here with you, and I have to stand here and watch you for 20 minutes and make sure you don't puke, regurgitate, all that stuff. So if I look like I'm being creepy, that's why. So
No, you're.
okay. So when we go into this room next, in about 10 minutes, I'm gonna have the machine, I'm gonna enter all your information and all that, and then you're gonna have to blow twice, okay? So it's gonna be a deep breath in and a long, steady blow, constantly. And I'll tell you when to stop, okay? It's gonna take all the air out of your lungs. So it's gonna feel like you're like, I have no more left, and then it'll be done, okay? Let's, you can come in here and sit in this chair. Can I have a driver's license and a citation? Thank you. Pop squat.
My chair?
Yes. I just request that you don't pee in it, because sometimes people,
Oh,
when they're intoxicated, like
that's
to
okay.
urinate.
I don't intend to.
Okay. Just joking. So it's going to go through a bunch of tests here, make sure the machine's working properly, all that good jazz. Like I said, we'll get one breath. You can come up here. I'll hold the tube. So I'll hold the tube like this, seal your lips around, blow. When we're ready, you can wait. It's got to do some tests. You just back up though, a little bit.
Do I scare you?
No, you don't. Mouth alcohol, the alcohol coming off your breath can affect the machine's ability to make sure that the air is clear out here. So, unless you take this to court, and then I'll see you in court.
Oh.
I'm kidding. You have a right to go to court. You have a right to contest it. I have no
I'm not gonna contest
I
it.
have no hard feelings about that.
I knew it was my stupid ass.
Okay, up here. Deep breath and blow until I tell you to stop. Blow, 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 blow. There you go. You slide back. So as long as the next sample is within the same range as this one, takes the, you got a few minutes. It takes the average of 2 and then goes to the lowest amount. So if you're below 0.08, we'll have to issue a second citation for operating with a prohibited alcohol concentration. And a couple more things and you're out the door. All right? So, another breath. Blow. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. There you go. All right, you can go back out there. We're all done with that. I'll bring your results out in a second or so.
Wiz. Stat. Section 343.303 PBT Admissibility Rule Preliminary Breath Test Result confirms probable cause only. Not admissible as evidence of actual BAC at trial. Wiz. Admin. Code Section. Trans 311.0520. Minute observation period mandatory before evidentiary breath test. Purpose exclude mouth alcohol contamination that could inflate the reading. Lesson suppression ground failure to maintain the 2 0-minute observation period is sufficient grounds to move for suppression of the evidentiary breath test result. Evidentiary device reports the lower of 2 samples. Wiz. Stat. Section 346.631b. PAC citation issued separately if result is greater than or equal to 8G 210L of breath. Wiz. Stat. Section 343.305 Implied consent. Law consent operating privilege suspended if over limit. Refusal automatic 1-year revocation. Refusal is admissible as evidence at trial. Lesson strategic value of consent. Consenting to the evidentiary test preserves the right to challenge the result in court. Refusal forfeits that option and triggers immediate revocation. Wiz. Stat. Section 346.67 Hit and run unattended vehicle driver must stop and attempt to locate the owner or leave identifying contact information at the scene. Berkemer v. McCarty 468 U.S. 4201984. Miranda warnings are not required for routine traffic stop questioning. Roadside statements are admissible without Miranda advisement. Civil forfeiture is not equal to criminal proceeding. Fifth Amendment self-incrimination protections do not apply in the same manner as they would in a criminal OWI jurisdiction. First offense OWI penalty Wisconsin $150, $300 forfeiture plus court costs, 6-month operating privilege suspension, no jail, no criminal record, PAC under Section 346. 631B Additional 9, month suspension concurrent. Both OWI and PAC may be cited for a single driving event. Conviction on either triggers identical mandatory penalties.